Hi there. I'm Rasheda Kamaria Williams, Chief Empowering Officer for Empowered Flower Girl. Empowered Flower Girl is a social enterprise that is on a mission to transform the way young people relate to one another and themselves. And I'm here today with a few quick tips on communicating with confidence. So, no matter whether you're speaking with people face to face or virtually, how you communicate is just as important as what you communicate. And having confidence in your content and yourself are both very important. Now, I know for many people that interpersonal communication, especially speaking and speaking in public, can be very scary. In fact, it's one of the most common fears among people across the globe. Several surveys have revealed that public speaking is feared almost as much, if not more, as death for some people. But we don't want you to die, right? We just want you to have confidence in your ability to communicate what it is you have to offer the world. And we want to make sure that you have the tips and tools so that you could communicate with confidence, because it's important that girls' voices and women's voices are heard. So whether you're a student, a social entrepreneur, a business owner, or an aspiring humanitarian, we want to give you the tools you need to communicate with confidence. So here are a few tips. In order to successfully communicate who you are, what you do, or what you want, it is important to prepare. You may want to write an outline or a script for what you're going to say and rehearse it as many times as you need to until you feel good about it. You may want to record yourself doing it or have someone to record you so you can go back and see where you can improve. Next is presentation. How you present yourself is just as important as what you're presenting. Verbal and nonverbal presentation are important. And what I mean by nonverbal presentation are things like body language, right? Your body language speaks for itself, actually. So are you giving eye contact? For some people, that may be a little scary. Depending on where you are in the world, giving eye contact may be considered rude. But you want to really engage your audience. So maybe you glance at them every now and then. You might not stare at them directly for 10 minutes, right? But giving occasional eye contact helps you to connect with the person or people that you're speaking with. And how's your posture? Are you standing tall, or are you making yourself small by slouching or hunching over? If you're asking for funding or support for what you're doing, you'll want to appear trustworthy and confident. So eye contact is good, but honestly, a positive attitude looks even better. And finally, perseverance. Even when you don't feel confident, keep going. Sometimes we may want to give up, but what you have to offer your community and the world is too important to do that. So believe in yourself and surround yourself with people who will help you grow and reach your goals. I've been speaking and facilitating workshops and being on panels with organizations across the globe like Global Girl Project and others. And I tell you, each and every time that I'm giving a presentation or speaking, I do these three things. I prepare myself, I work on my presentation, and even when I'm not feeling confident, I keep going, I persevere. It doesn't matter whether you've been doing this for 11 years or 11 days. These tips are going to help you communicate confidently. We want to make sure that girls and young women's voices are heard. And we want to empower you to speak up, to share your story, and to communicate what it is you do and share your unique talents and gifts with the world. Now, if you have any questions or you still need a little bit of help in communicating confidently, reach out. We're here to help. Visit www.empoweredflowergirl.com for more information. And you can also follow us on social media at Empowered Flower Girl. Well, it's time for me to go, but I hope that you've learned some new skills, and I hope that you'll go out and share your message with those who are going to help you go to the next level in what you're doing, whether you're starting a business or you're a student and you're wanting to go to university, or whether you're raising money to support a worthy cause. So good luck, and we look forward to connecting.